Kyal here. Welcome again to Ashish Kyal Trading Gurukul. And we are going to talk about how to time the market to the very minute by using a concept which is known as time cycle. I'm going to share across a Nifty chart, a 15-minute chart of Nifty, where I applied smaller time frame cycle that has helped me to capture the move on the upside very easily by looking at which specific hour. Yes, that is possible. You can in fact predict the very minute when the markets will reverse back on the upside, and that has worked brilliantly well. So let me share across very quickly that how you can use this simple technique of timing the market and how to trade. Because if you are an option trader, अगर आप options में trade करते हैं या futures में trade करते हैं, market को time करना बहुत important है. I'm sure so far many of you would have heard everyone talking about never to time the market. Possibly I am the only guy who is saying that you should time the market, because as a trader, the most important way to trade is to time the market. If you're not able to time the market, trust me, you can't make money. Even if you might have witnessed many times the breakout happens and then it fails. Why is that happening? Because time is not in your favor. So it is very important that you are able to time the market using this simple time cycle method. So let me share across a chart and let me show across on how do you time the market by looking at Nifty. So this is from Wave Strategy Advisors, and if you can see my screen here, you will be able to see I have shown a Nifty time cycle chart. Now, as a layman, simple भाषा में अगर बात करें, ये Nifty का chart है 15 minutes का. You can see on the right hand side this is the price scale, and at the bottom you can see this is the time scale, and that is what you can clearly see it on the chart here. Now this time scale is for intraday 15 minutes time frame. Okay. Now in this, what I'm trying to identify is that is there any kind of a period between which the market reverses on the upside. So I identified a smaller 46 period time cycle which helped me to predict that the market can go up. So on I can clearly explain to you that on 28th of September, the market was falling on the downside. And then I predicted, I even talked about on CNBC hours that market might reverse back on the upside in the second half or by 3 p.m. Now, you can clearly see that happening, that from here, there was a huge up move from the lower levels of more than 200 of nearly 200 points on the upside from the low. Now, these kind of movements you can able to capture if you understand the concept of time. So what I am trying to tell you is that after a low formed here, there was an up move. A low formed here around just a few minutes, I would say an hour prior, and the market rallied on the upside. Low formed here and we saw a gap up opening. Low formed here and we saw 200 points up move. So I know that the next low in the market is going to be post say 30th of September or 1st of October. We will see a low forming and then the market will rally. So with this information, if you can combine the candlestick chart, you will be able to easily trade the market by identifying where the lows are going to be forming and accordingly take your trading positions. So this is a very simple way of trading the market by looking at time cycle concept. And if you apply this, trust me, your accuracy for trading the market will sharply increase. तो करना क्या है, कैंडलस्टिक जो आप यूज कर रहे हैं उसी के साथ में टाइम एलिमेंट को भी जोड़ना है, and then your accuracy and trading will be in a different league altogether that was missing so far. So that is what I wanted to present, that simple timing the market, that every specific period the market turns, and that is working like magic right now. So this is just from educational perspective. We are SEBI registered research analyst, and OCL or Wave Strategy Advisors does not bear any liability for any kind of, so you need to ensure you use this purely from learning perspective. And these are my coordinates. You can get in touch with me. You can share across. You can follow me on Telegram, AK Trading Gurukul, or Twitter @KyalAshish, and I'll be more than happy to answer your queries or doubts. And by the way, we have been timing the market and I'm tweeting across. It has worked out exceptionally well. So why don't you follow me on Twitter and YouTube @KyalAshish. This is Ashish Kyal signing off. Thank you very much and keep learning and keep growing.